Client got a septic tank put in, so they're getting a riser put in right here. So with the riser being put in, they're gonna have to get a 1 to 2 foot extension on this deck. And they were already getting all the decking boards replaced, so just decided to go ahead and tackle everything at one time. Got a couple pieces over here, dry cut, nothing nailed down. Just, you know, getting everything ready. Still waiting on the septic guys to come, put their riser in so I can build my frame around this. But yeah. Deck turned out pretty good.
I can do half an ounce.